these Rode Wireless Go 2, and I hate that if I want to load them, I need a cable for literally 1, 2, 3 of them, and then I need to put them in 3 different power sockets. However, I do have a solution right now, which is this, a charging case. We can actually put all 3 in here and then just load them with 1 cable, just 1 power supply. So let's try it out. Let's open it up. Didn't rip the box. Alright, I think that's all that's in the box. Yeah. There is a little regulation and safety guide. And then this is the box. You can open it up. It's kind of heavy. But we can just grab our microphones. Let's see, one of the receiver. The other 2 are the microphones. A USB-C port on this side, and we can just use that one to load now. Seems like they're already loading up, and I think that is because this charging case itself has a battery in it. So if you're on the go and you loaded the charging case, you can load your microphones in it when it's not on a power supply. Downside of this case though is it doesn't really have space for cables, or if you have like lavalier mic or one of those mics that you put right here, there's no space in this case, so you're gonna need to bring another like bag or bring them separately as well. But I think it's really cool anyway.